thinking for since long time. There must be some institution of like this in somewhere, either in Andhra Pradesh. And I told my colleagues who already took their examination, I suggested many officers, why don't you start this type of academy? Because many known people asked me when there was a demand in Hyderabad in the institution. This type of institutions are there in Hyderabad, and I think this is first institution. That way I know him. And earlier when I was, but very, very happy, and I'm associate speeches, particularly leave from the mind. See, law is a ocean. The horizons are ever widening.